Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Workspace for professional LinkedIn productivity setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the page. Enter your business name in the designated field, then click Next. Input the number of employees, including yourself, and click Next again. Provide your work email address in the relevant field. If you don't have a work email, you can choose to create a new one with Google Workspace. Click Next to proceed. Complete the form with your first and last name, then click Next. Choose a password for your account, ensuring it meets security requirements. Click Next after confirming your password. You will now be prompted to enter your business details, such as country and address. Fill in the required information, then click Next. Google Workspace will ask if you'd like to use this account for Google services. Confirm by clicking Yes. Next, verify your domain name if you have one. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase one through Google. Follow the prompts to verify your domain or set up a new one. Once your domain is verified, you will be directed to the admin console. Here, you can manage all your settings and user accounts. Go to the Users section to add team members. Click Add a User and fill out their details. Repeat this process for each team member you want to add. Next, navigate to the Apps section to customize your Google Workspace apps. Choose the apps you want to activate for your account, such as Gmail or Google Drive. Set up security settings, including two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you have configured the necessary settings, visit the Google Workspace Learning Center for tutorials. Familiarize yourself with the tools available in Google Workspace, such as Docs, Sheets, and Meet. After completing the setup, access your new email through Gmail. You can now integrate your Google Workspace account with LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to Settings. Link your Google Workspace email to your LinkedIn profile for professional networking. With everything set up, you are now ready to enhance your productivity using Google Workspace. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.